Welcome to Kanya CRP. In order to release a maintenance plan, access MNTT20 maintenance plans list transaction. In this transaction, enter the relevant search criteria for the maintenance plans and click Search button. Here, you'll see that some of the maintenance plans are released and some of them are not. In order to release one, select the relevant record and then click the Release button found over here. You'll get the information message saying that the relevant maintenance plan has been released. When you click the Search button, it's going to refresh the information to show that the maintenance plan is released.